Where are we going?
Hong Kong.
And yay! Excited! It's been super long since the last time I actually went to Hong Kong. I think the last time I went Hong Kong was during when I was still secondary school, guys, and it was like 10 plus years ago. It's crazy. I'm very excited!
Let's go.
Now we are at the lounge area to enjoy our dinner first before flying. What time now?
11:20.
Finally we reached
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong airport. What's the name of the airport also?
Hong Kong International Airport.
Oh. Okay, right now we are waiting for the train to go to the immigration. Right now we are heading to take
Macau. To take
Take
bus
what?
to Macau.
bus to Macau.
Our first time and we don't know the way.
Yeah, first time
That's
we don't know
right.
the way. So basically they were saying that you just go straight, then left,
Go down level 3.
go down level 3.
Left side.
Let's see guys, let's say.
Where are we?
We are at the bus station to Macau. Is it?
Take the empty bus terminal.
HZMB bus terminal, guys. So basically, if you want to go Macau,
At night.
At
there's
night?
no ferry. No more.
oh, ferry by right, you can take ferry lah. Oh, so basically at night, if there's no more ferry and you want to go Macau, let's say you take night flight like us, you can actually take the shuttle bus. But anyway, to clarify, it's not free. So it's a B4 shuttle bus, and I think you just need to pay like few dollars, and then you will stop here at the HZMB bus station, and you can grab a bus to Macau. And just now we don't have small change. A random stranger just helped us, and he's there, and apparently he's not local. So basically, this is a self-service ticket for the Macau bus, the bus to Macau.
我就係用呢個買㗎啦嚇。我未買過錢買。
This one way, is it?
我有無紙，我可以講俾啊。唔係啊，用錢買㗎，因為呢個用錢買啊。用錢買先我係咯。
No cash. Oh my god, guys.
No, go manual counter.
Yeah, I think we need to go manual counter. So over here, I think mostly Alipay, all those.
No, I think it's autobus card, that's all.
Oh, once we have Octopus card, so much easier. But we didn't manage to get the Octopus card yet because it's sold out. So right now we're at the manual ticket office. Okay, we gotten our ticket already. So guys, take note, first thing first, once you reach Hong Kong, right, please get your Octopus card first.
But it's late. Too bad.
If it's late or sold out, too bad.
Then
Then you'll be like us.
Thank you.
Okay, and right now we'll be taking, based on what my husband say, we'll be taking the newly built bridge,
One of the longest in the world.
which is like one of the longest in the world that oversees the sea. Let's see, exciting, very exciting.
So apparently shuttle bus means it's a bus. It's not free. In Singapore, shuttle means free.
Okay, but I love this weather though. Current temperature is about 21 degrees and it feels like aircon temperature. It's not too cold and it's not humid. It's just a perfect weather for you guys to stroll around. So I guess January is one of the best times to actually visit Hong Kong. Here we are, Macau. Yay! We arrived at Macau, guys. Anyway, just now for the bridge, we never really record because actually nothing much to see because it was very dark. Yeah, but anyway, we are here. So excited! Time check now is 1:05 a.m. in the morning. But it's good because there's no crowd. That's actually it's very convenient. Like right exit, right? You can straight away just take a taxi over there. Even at this timing, there's still so many taxis in the queue. Can you see that? Yeah, look at that. What the taxi. Oh my god, guys, it's so pretty. Even at night, we are at our hotel. We're at our hotel, guys. Venetian, Macau. The hotel where a lot of Korean drama like to shoot. And I'm busy vlogging, but my husband busy. I'm busy vlogging, and my husband busy carrying down. Look at that! So nice! It's so nice! Luggage man, luggage boy. Oh my god, so all this while the one that they post in Instagram is indoor?
Yeah. Oh, you talk outdoor?
Yeah!
No, no.
Oh my god, so all this one is indoor?
We wrong way. We have to go there. Wow, so many places to explore leh. Happy. Oh, guess already. Thinking already. Okay.
Tired but happy. Came up from the lift. I can smell smoke already.
Yes, sir. Good.
Let's see if we are okay with it. If not, tomorrow we'll be changing our room. Cannot look so bad. Oh my god. Crazy. This is oh my god. Guys, I feel like a princess. Even all the shower is like, is that real gold? No, I don't think so. Oh my god, this is can. Definitely can fit here. I don't think we need to change. Oh my god, we have a full dressing table for me. Look at that. I feel like a princess, yeah. The royal prince and princess for the night.
No, okay.
You guys got like that. Oh my god. You see, I already spent like a good 5 minutes just to check out the main. Just to check out the toilet. Wait, take out your shoe first. Oh my goodness, guys. Huh? Look at that. Wait, is this into the toilet? Oh, this is the closet. Look at the room. Hey, don't mess up because I want to record for TikTok. This is the TV. There we still got another living room over here, guys. Living room. And oh my god, it looks so good. So good and so clean. I would give, huh?
So big.
Oh, very big. Really, yes. Sweets. Right. You like sweet. Whatever it is, but let me wear my hotel suit. Good morning, Macau. Good morning. Let's see how the view look like. We start our day a bit later because we slept very late yesterday. Wow! You open this. Yeah, like still building stuff leh. They give me the very European feel. Oh, so nice eh. Oh, hey, we open sia. But we also want to. Our day right. That's the casino, guys. That's where we went yesterday night. The casino here is damn big. Like crazy. Oh my god, we literally just passed by a random garden, guys, and it's so nice. Just a freaking random garden was so nice, you know. Look at that. Just a quick stroll, huh? Look at that. A random garden, also very nice. Oh my god, should take photo there, babe. Should we take together? So this is called Taipa Village,
Yes.
where they are famous for the street of food.
Street of food.
Is it? Food street. Street food.
呢個都哇！呢陣呢款都 Oh my god，你跳，
Oh my god.
可以跳啦，
Don't you meaning good, is it?
嚟啦，可以跳啦。
But which one better? This one
Two
or?
different kind of food.
Can you eat that one first?
Laude beef.
This laude beef super long fish. Oh my god, actually this is so good.
That smells so good. Oh, really? Yeah, this is the one.
This is the famous one.
Yeah, later you can buy.
Look at the queue, guys. Oh my god.
Later cannot bring back Singapore.
Yeah lah, of course lah.
Yeah.
Can we eat the main thing first?
Yeah, minting all the way down.
Okay. So we are eating at this Seki Cafe. Seki Cafe 1965. What do they sell?
Traditional but
But not so traditional. Like not the pork bun, all those. Apparently this is their famous one, guys. Yeah, pork bun.
Michelin star.
Their pork bun that is Michelin like standing. My advice to you guys, right? If you guys want to try out a lot of different food, right, just order one. So big. It's good, see?
Despite the taste, only not yours. Despite the taste a bit.
The egg tart melts in your mouth. It's damn soft, eh? It's very soft. Never ending, sir. Keep eating. Laude
Good stuff.
Meaning what?
Very soft, very savory. Beef stomach. Beef intestine. So good. Very small.
This one, Casino Lisboa. Come, let's find some good spots for Instagram. We managed to get the
Omega stick mustard.
which we have been trying to get at Switzerland and we didn't manage to this. Happy boy. Look at that, the Casino Lisboa. Damn big, guys. Wow, this Macau really full of casino. And by the way, this is not Las Vegas. This is just Macau. The amount that we buy just at Macau, all the steaks. I'll do like some Hong Kong haul. No, the Macau haul. Okay, we're back at Venetian right now. Eating here, guys. Let's go in. This is our lunch because we eaten so much snacks just now for breakfast. Yeah, our second day at Macau, and tomorrow we are going back to Hong Kong. So today is our second day at Macau, and we already went to Tapai Village, Macau city center, and now we are back at Venetian. So we're going to explore this Venetian area. Exciting! Totally recommend Macau. Totally recommend Macau to those of you who have not been here before. So many foods around here. And guys, guess what? I just found out like yesterday that all these crowds are fake. All this while when my friends posted photos in their IG or social media, I have always been thinking that wow, this is like real environment, like real outdoors, but turns out it's all indoors, guys. My god, look at that. You will never know the truth until you experience it yourself. That's what I learned. And there's so many types to over here. So you guys can actually consider eating here when you are staying in Venetian or when you're exploring Venetian. Hello.
You want the video go viral?
Hey, on.
Why? Fun what? No fun on Halloween.
Come here. Oh, nice. What the? What time is it now?
11.
11 p.m. guys, and now we are having our dinner at
No pressure.
whatever the restaurant is called. We just randomly try one of the restaurant in the north wing side at Venetian because we are just so hungry. So it's easy playing the song. Playing. Now my hair is like so damn messy, but I don't care guys because I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
Whoa.
By Macau.
This is where you buy the ticket from Macau back to Hong Kong.
After Dubai.
Oh, okay, we are wrong. We need to go up this escalator to buy the ticket from Macau to Hong Kong. So we are staying here, Kowloon of Causeway Bay. So we actually managed to get a ferry that is closer to us. This is like Slow jet to Kowloon, which is nearer our hotel.
欢迎乘搭喷射飞航，我们的目的地是中国客运码头。
And here we are. We have arrived in Hong Kong. Very big the boat. They put like very big.